Welcome, kids! Today we are learning ABC opposites.
A is for big and small.
Look, Luno, a tall building and a short house.
B is for tall and short.
Welcome, kids! Today we are learning ABC opposites.
A is for big and small.
Big. Small. B is for tall and short. The building is tall. The house is short. Tall and short.
C is for clean and messy.
This room is clean. This room is messy. Messy is not.
D is for day and night.
E is for empty and full. This box is empty, and this one is full.
F is for fast and slow.
G is for happy, and G is for sad.
H is for hot and cold. I is for inside and outside.
Whee! Outside! Yay! Inside!
J is for high and low.
Here you go! Hey, play with me!
K is for kind and mean.
L is for light and heavy.
M is for more and less.
Look, Tria, this basket has more apples.
And this one more and less.
Yes!
N is for near and far.
Near. Far.
O is for open and closed.
Let's open the door. Now it's closed. Open and close.
P is for push and pull. Q is for quiet and loud. R is for rich and poor. S is for soft and hard.
T is for thick and thin.
This book is thick.
T is for thick and thin.
U is for up and down.
V is for win and lose. W is for wet and dry. X is for expand and shrink.
Y is for young and old.
Z is for zigzag and straight. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share for more ABC adventures.